Me semi-opinionated peeps, if you are editing like me, trust me, that video where me I go show on right now, I go make you say me not go close to it, let alone go record. You're mad? Listen me. So this video I'm about to show you is of a snake, what is allegedly spotted in a section of Negril, Jamaica. People, me only see them big snake up on TV, or if I go a zoom, me not go tell no lie. But this snake looks big, at least to me, him big. You understand? I know some people might say, yeah, I'm a bigger snake than that, but yo, for me, that's a big snake, and I would not go near it, not even if we go take a picture. But people, me gonna stop talk right now so that Uno can take a look at what me a talk about. Cause people, John knows that. Uno afraid of snake? Me afraid of snake. Me not afraid for say so. But check out that one here right now.
Yeah, man. Next Jamaican snake, man. Yeah. So I go down and Negril up on the rock, you see it?
In big king?
Nice size, yes.
Mirror! Tana! Tana! Put on your slippers and come. King, I see him snake.
Call you, see.
King, my skin a crawl.
Like a snake. Yeah, I think on your shoulder.
You must be mad. Jesus Christ.
Shut him now.
Even on my phone, something not bad on my phone. What name? Gary. Jesus Christ.
Oh, see mother there. What am I say?
Tana, this I see him seeing it with which you can see it, big man. See one hole under the sun, I'm not dumb there, my guy.
No, my fault. So take a pass from the pass.
I'm painting that.
Cause that sign look, same color, everything. I saw Jamaican see it look still yellow.
Big
Mercy,
I want to
Father.
pick up that. Come on, King.
Me people, come on, him big though. Yes, that's a big snake. But it sound like the people them see it on a regular man. They want to say, I see him snake. Yeah. But you know, my concern is, you know, if it is actually in a community that has children, you know, that is my concern. Right? Because you know, a pitney we probably go get stoned and fling and fight if them see it and things like that. And not only that, you know, the children can be in danger if them come around that snake. You understand what I mean? And say, yo. So the only thing is, I just hope that them contact, you know, animal control and make the proper authorities come move the snake safely and put it in a safe environment. You understand what I mean? And say, cause you know, if them people they run and the snake they like that, so it would appear that it in a, you know, a open community where it can come across children, and that is my concern. Talk to me in the comment section, my people. Let me know if you agree or not. Peace out.
Boy, unstoppable you.